clock indicating it was midnight, remembering the fairy godfathers.
Clearly and beautifully, wearing cash necklace, the prince immediately felt this was the girl he wanted to dance with.
As the prince was about to ask Cinderella to dance, Cinderella suddenly saw the clock indicating it was midnight, remembering the fairy godfather's warning. Cinderella ran out of the ball without.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here with my buddy.
I'm also here with my buddy.
Okay. We will be doing a farewell speech without a script because scripts are boring and too lazy to remember them. Would you like to start?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think M3. Right now, you're in middle school and you're going to move to high school at 4 and 5 and 6. You face many challenges and you will have to overcome them. But I promise you, if you know how to tread on your path, it will be easy.
It's very heartfelt. For my part, I would like to first of all congratulate M6 and M3. It's been a tough path and I went through M1, M2, and 3 before. I know how hard it is, though I don't know how hard it would be to go through M5 and M6, and I condemn you. I condemn M3 and M6 for enduring high school and junior high school. It's a tough road, but in the end, it's all worth it. Look at you guys. You guys are enjoying yourself in this very hall. And although good memories will not last, this moment will fade. Farewell is, in the end, it's inevitable. I will have to forget you guys, and you guys will have to forget me. You guys will forget my face, and I will forget every one of your faces. The only thing you can't forget, though, is the feeling you felt